Bentley Motors, an English company, but the Americas account for the biggest part of its business. The New York Auto Show, International Auto Show, starts on Friday. Joining us ahead of the show is the COO of the company, Christophe Georges. Christophe, thanks so much for coming in, talking to us about these fast cars. We have that ICE record, the one that broke the ICE record. What is a sales win for this car? I know it's about $200,000, and I assume it's not really about sales, it's more about publicity for the brand, right?
Yes, and this car is even a bit more expensive. You are close to $300,000 for the super sports convertible. So 3 weeks ago we went to Finland and we have decided to break the ICE record, and we have achieved 205 miles per hour. And the car was driven by Johan Kankkunen, who was 4 times world champion in rally. And it was a quite incredible experience, especially when you know that on ice you cannot brake. Or if you brake, it does not help at all. So.
Right, it doesn't help at all. But how many do you honestly expect to sell? I mean, I know it's not about that, but I'm just curious.
For Super Sports convertible high-speed record, we are planning to sell 30 cars in America only. So it's going to be extremely exclusive.
All right, extremely exclusive. I know the biggest part of Bentley's market is the Americas. Last year you said maybe wasn't the best sales year. I mean, I'm putting words in your mouth, but how is 2011 looking?
I mean, the financial downturn has affected luxury cars sales, of course, in the last 2 years. Last year we have achieved positive stabilization with an improvement of 6% of sales. But this year we are expecting a double-digit growth in America, especially with the launch of our new products. We have launched our Mulsanne at the end of last year. And this year, in April, as we speak, our new Continental GT is coming to America. And of course, this is a very important product to us.
How are you seeing demand from other parts of the world? Maybe it's easier if we look at last year's figures, the 2010 figures, a rise of 6% from the Americas. What about from Asia? What about from other parts of the emerging world?
Yes, globally our sales have increased by 11% last year. We have spoken about China before. For us, it is the same. China is growing quite fast. And in the last 3 years, we have doubled our sales every year in China.
In the U.S., which regions are the most successful for you? I mean, I have to assume it's the 2 coasts, right?
The biggest in terms of business is California. California, immediately followed by New York and East Coast, and then Florida. These are the 3 major spots.
All right, so I heard you say, Christophe, that this year is going to be better than last year. What kinds of clients are you speaking with? I mean, are they Wall Street clients? Are they entertainers? Who are they?
That's a very difficult question because our customers are extremely individual. But they are coming mostly from real estate market and then the finance sector. They are mostly entrepreneurs. And of course, we are finding as well a lot of celebrities and people from the sports business. And so it's quite a colorful mixture of customers.
And where do you take them if they want to test drive?
Where they want to.
All right, that's pretty clear.
Even on ice. We have taken some customers on ice too in Finland 2 years ago. Yeah.
They'll take the flight to Finland just to try it out.
Yes.
I guess why not? If you're paying $300,000 for a car, it seems
it's quite a heavy car, very powerful, more than 600 brake horsepower, and 4-wheel drive, and on ice it's a totally crazy experience.
Okay, Christophe, thanks very much.
You're welcome.
Christophe Georges joining us there. He is the COO of Bentley Motors.